Hi everyone, I'm Brandon with Flow BMW of Winston-Salem, here to show you the 24 X7. So the great thing about the X7 is it's for the people carrier, the mom who needs a minivan but doesn't want to give up that driving dynamic of a sports car, right? You have plenty of power with the inline six, you have V8 options with this car as well, so you're not going to be worried about being the slow car on the highway. The X7 is just an elegant vehicle to be in. It's a super refined drive. There's not a lot of road noise that makes its way through, so if you need a quiet, comfortable place to make your commute, that's the place to do it. All right, so with the 24 X7, we're gonna have fully automatic LED lights. They're also gonna have cornering capabilities for you, so at low speeds, the headlights will do some turning. They have the anti-dazzle headlights as well, so as you pass other cars, it's gonna go ahead and turn off the brights for you so the other drivers are safe on the road as well. On the X7, you're gonna have plenty of alloy wheel choices. This one's sitting on 21 black Y-spoke rims. Alloy wheels are gonna be lighter, they're gonna be more strong, they're gonna hold up better to road abuse and also give you the lighter, sportier ride that you're looking for from BMW. So with this BMW, you're gonna have heated door mirrors. The reason that is important to you is because whenever you wake up in the morning, you've got frost on the windshield and the mirrors. Obviously, you can defrost the windshield, but the mirrors are not gonna defrost themselves, so the heated mirrors are gonna take care of that for you. You also are gonna have two little gold triangles in the mirrors. Those are gonna be your blind spot warning lights. So if your traffic is coming up on your rears, you're trying to change lanes, those are gonna blink and let you know that there's traffic in the way. So with all those features, the heated door mirrors, the automatic headlights, and the alloy wheels, you're gonna have plenty of style and safety on the road. All right, so we're gonna take a walk around and show you some of the interior features and styling options you get with the X7, including some of the safety stuff that you're gonna see pop up inside. So the first thing you're gonna notice when you hop into the 24 X7 is the beautiful 14.9-inch iDrive 8 display. So you will have memory options for your steering wheel and for your seats for up to 2 drivers with your BMW driver profiles. In this model, we've got the beautiful natural leather look Tartufo interior, which goes great with the matte finish wood on the dash. So we have this cool feature called gesture control. So what gesture control is another way to interact with the vehicle. Obviously we have voice controls, touch screens, and the iDrive wheel, but in case you wanted to turn up the radio without doing anything but turning your wrist, you have that option. With the X7, we do have seating for 7, so let's take a look at some space in the rear. Remember gesture control from inside? That's not the only way you can interact with the car. Kick to open hatch. So with the 24 X7, we've got 3 rows of seats. Our third row can recline, and we've also got push button controls to fold those down flat. How neat and simple is that? We've got 5-zone climate control, as well as 6 heated seats throughout the vehicle. One design feature that's going to set apart the X5 and the X7 is our rear folding tailgate. So you've got fully automatic buttons, so one button press, tailgate goes up. One more button press, tailgate goes down. So thank you for watching our video walk around of the 24 X7. Hope that you've been interested in this car or maybe interested in some of our other SUVs that we have to offer. We would love for you to come into the store and take it for a drive. My name is Brandon. I'd be happy to help you out. And if I'm not available, any of my other client advisor associates will be able to help you.